Hi friends, today we are going to create the excavation modeling by giving the Revit model and toposolid. So for this, first of all, we go to our site plan and see this is our toposolid, and now in the 3D view we check our section box. Okay, yes. Now for this we press tile view by WT pressing through keyboard, and arrange our section box like this. Now see, in the wireframe, this is our ground level and this is our -1 level, and beneath under this we have -2 level. So we want to excavate this portion. For this we go to architectural components and model in place. Here we have toposolid, make it OK, and here by creation panel we use void extrusion. Through void extrusion we set our work plane and then by pick lines we select the lines. Yes, press it OK, and now here you can see our toposolid model. Make it left view and little bit by using the handle press it little bit down, make it wireframe, and then you see here we make it cut geometry, select the outer one, then the inner one, then finish the model. And then you see in the wireframe we already cut the inside. For better view, make it shaded, and then you see here we cut it. It's not complete yet, but we will try to complete it. Okay, let's see. This is our inner topo solid. Edit in place. Select it. Make it copy. Paste. Align to same place. And then cut it from outer to the inner one. Make it finish. And then see we already cut it, but little bit. Edit in place. Yes, make it little bit down. Or make it wireframe to make it easy for view. Yes. Yes. Now make it left view and then shaded view and then cut it from outer to the inner one. Make it finish. Yes. Now see, here this part is already excavated, here also excavated, but now we need to excavation for this. Little bit. Make it here. Yes. Edit in place. Make it wireframe. Then copy it. align to the same place, and here we make it adjust. Yes. Now make it shaded through cut geometry, press it and cut it. Finish the model. Now you see we already excavated also this part. Now remaining is what? Remaining is the foundation that we will excavate it in the next lecture. Follow this, stay tuned. Thank you so much.